Hey everyone, I'm up here at a little cabin up at Tippling Rock. Just was doing some yoga up here. It feels fantastic, and I just wanted to connect and say that if you've been enjoying this wonderful weather and you want to feel fantastic, even when the weather changes, and even when life changes, taking care of ourselves, yourself, is like a key to that happening. So I obviously promote yoga and massage as ways to maintain a healthy, centered, and peace-driven lifestyle. But we have a couple of workshops coming up this coming week that you might also find helpful. We have tomorrow, Monday, we have 2 different times for the same workshop. It's called Nourish Yourself, small steps that you can take to build your immunity. And we have an early afternoon class at 12:45. Take a look on the schedule because it might switch to 1, but 12:45 is the plan now. And then in the evening, we have one at, I think, 7:30. So we have 2 classes. They'll be the same content, and it's $15. Or if you are a yoga student and you have a yoga class card, you can just use that. And that's with Diana Pruzinski-Abada, our certified health coach. And it's 1 hour. And you will walk away from this 1 hour with simple tools that you can use starting right now to feel better and boost your body's ability to fight off illness, disease, and all sorts of what ails you through better choices that we can all make. So I invite you to that tomorrow and at either 12:45 or 7:30 p.m. And then on next Sunday evening at 8 o'clock, we'll have another mental espresso hypnosis class. So if you are feeling stuck and you want something to motivate you or sort of clear the pathways for really moving forward at this point in time, Self-Hypnosis is great, and Peter Gross is fantastic, and that's next Sunday at 8 o'clock. So you can sign up for all of those things through our yoga class application, through the link below, and $15 or your yoga class card gets you in, and we'd love to see you. Hope to see you all tomorrow. Nourish yourself, small steps to boost your immunity, and next Sunday, mental espresso. Get yourself moving. Get unstuck now. All right, hope to see you then. Meanwhile, get outside, breathe through your nose. Namaste.